Hello friends, today we are going to do windshield wiper replacement. Here you can see that after putting the wiper, the water is not draining properly. What I am doing here is the Nissan Altima 5th generation model, but the frameless wiper of the other brands can also be changed in the same way. The first thing I change here is the co-passenger side. Here you can see the rubber of the wiper is all broken. I replaced this wiper about 4 years ago and I am using the same brand now. Because to be honest, if wiper lasts 4 years for me as a daily driver is a testament to its quality. The wiper size of Altima is 28-inch driver side and 16-inch passenger side. Let's do it on co-passenger side first. Press the plastic part below the wiper bracket and push it forward slowly. Securely place the frame on the glass without breaking it. The 16-inch passenger side blade, old and new, is identical. Just back to fix reverse order. Do the same for the driver side as you did for the passenger side. Wiper blade works very well after replacement. Hope the short video is useful for everyone. Thank you.